Hey guys, Bobby here today. It is cold out here in the garage on this January day, but we do have our XTOOL D1 Pro running, and I just want to talk to you a little bit about it and introduce it to you, so stay tuned. Okay guys, as you can see, we got this thing sitting up on top of our toolbox. We're running. We're actually cutting out a picture today. Let me give you a little disclaimer right quick, guys. If you have epilepsy or any other type of problem like that, you may not want to watch this video. You may just want to listen to it because there are flashing lights going on right here. And I am wearing eye protection now that comes with this unit as we have it cutting out today. But I just want to tell you a little bit about it. What we have cutting out is a picture of my son here, okay? And I'll show you here right on the laptop. It's just a photograph that I actually captured from my phone from when he graduated high school. And we're experimenting around. We have a shop up in downtown Mint Hill. I think we're going to offer the service of doing customized work on Etsy and locally, and graduation pictures, things of that nature. I think will be a pretty good seller as the year progresses, as we get closer to high school and college graduation. So we're doing a little experimentation here today. You know, we just recently got this thing. We're learning how to operate it, and we're learning some little tricks along the way. And I'll be making several videos coming up here talking about this thing. I didn't do an assembly video when we got it because there's already like 14 million of them out here on YouTube. And I really didn't think that I could make one any better than is already out there. But I do want to talk about a few things that's really cool about this thing, and you don't hear too many people talk about it. We have it hooked up to the laptop right now, running it, you know, directly in, hardwired, I guess you may call it, from the USB port. But you can run it Wi-Fi, okay? Got a little Wi-Fi antenna right here. But out here in the garage, we make sure we run it hardwired, okay, if you will. And the cool thing about it, you can go either way. The first couple times that we used this thing, we were inside and we just ran it on the Wi-Fi, and it worked out great. Now, here's something cool about this thing, all right? And believe me, folks, I am not the greatest when it comes to tech savviness, okay? I mean, I know how to create a video and do a little editing and throw it up on YouTube, and I can do a little couple things, copy and pasting on a computer here and there, but I'm no expert, okay? And this thing here was so easy for me to get the hang of, all right? Now, here's something cool. You can take, I'm just going to grab my phone here right quick. Here's my other cell phone. Hopefully there's no crazy messages on there that you can read that would incriminate me. I don't think there's anything there. But anyway, I pulled a picture from my phone, okay, and took the picture, edited it on the software. Let me show you that. Let me open up my phone here right quick. Hang on. I want to show you guys. Give me just a minute. I got the XTOOL app on my phone, and I'm just going to open up, I think, the same project that we're actually working on right here. So from the XTOOL app, I drew this picture of Nathaniel in from my library on my phone and done the editing, sized it up. I was able to sharpen it a little bit, saturate it with a little bit more color. We're using a filter that I can't remember what filter we used on this one, but you got several different filters to choose from. And we come up with what we thought would work, and then moved it up into the cloud. Okay, you got a cloud that holds 10 projects. So we moved it up into there, and then come over to the laptop, went into the cloud, saved it to this laptop, and then brought it out here to the garage, hooked it up, and we're burning the picture now, okay? Let's see what it's looking like. Let me bring the camera right on over here. Let's see what it's looking like right now. Oh yeah, it's looking pretty good. Looks like the photograph's about halfway through right now. We're just running it on a piece of pine right now just to see what it looks like. I do know that it does better on hardwoods. I ran a picture of a close friend that passed away last week, and we drove to Florida, and I gave this picture to her husband as a gift at her celebration of life. Done that one on a piece of cherry, and it actually turned out really nice. And we'll probably be doing a lot of these on hardwood once we get going. But I'm just doing a little test here to see how it does on a piece of pine. But folks, I think these things are really cool. We're hoping that this thing can generate a little bit of money for us in the up and coming months. And I will find a link down below. They sell these on Amazon, or you can go directly through XTOOL. The price is pretty much about the same. I'll find a link to this exact unit, and you know, if you buy it through us, it helps our channel out a little bit, and it don't cost you anything extra. So we'll throw that down below. And like I say, these things are really cool, man. It's like, you know, like I say, I'm no expert when it comes to computer stuff, and this is really easy for me to figure out on my own. I mean, you know, you can create projects on your phone. I can create projects on this laptop. Also have the software downloaded on my main computer inside the house that I work from. And I can create projects there in the comfort of my nice comfy chair. And then I can send them to the cloud. We can get them on this laptop, bring them on out, or bring it on the cell phone, whatever I want to do. You know, we got it there. That's so easy for me. And so anyhow, pretty cool thing. The XTOOL D1 Pro is what we have here, and I'm happy with it. We're going to see how far this thing can take us, and we'll be making many more videos talking about this thing. As we learn about it, we'll share things with you guys. So in case you decide you want to start making a little side money, I'll show you everything I can show you, okay? Because we're constantly watching videos about this thing ourselves, learning about it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out that link down below. And I think at the end of this video, I will actually post the picture of what this ends up looking like, okay? I'll post the project so you can see what it looks like. And maybe it might be the thumbnail as well, or part of the thumbnail. Have a great day, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye. Okay guys, you're going to look at this when I look at it for the first time. I went ahead and stopped it a little short because what I want to do is leave enough room. I want to put his name and the year he graduated across the bottom. So I decided to go ahead and stop it a little short, but this thing done a really good job. Look at that texture. Look how deep it ground that into the wood, those dark areas. I mean, that really etched in there very dark. And look at the fine detail. Look at you can read the 2022 on the tassel right there on his hat, okay? The one thing that I've got to adjust a little bit more, I need a little bit more definition around his face. You can see it's kind of right over here. We don't see any color at all. I got to make sure I saturate it enough where his facial features will stand out a little bit longer. One of the reasons I didn't do it that photograph, actually this eye over here, you see how dark that is? I was trying to keep it from being so dark. The way that picture, the sun was shining, it actually, if you saturate it too much, it actually would make it look like you couldn't see his eyeball right there. So that's why I stayed away from that. So certain photographs will work better than others, and I'm learning as we go. But guys, I just want to show you that right quick. I I think that turned out really nice. All right. Have a great day.